Yawn. Good morning, Puppycorn.
Good morning, sis. Let's get ourselves ready for the day.
Man, things are looking great in my kingdom today.
It indeed is, sis. And I like the nice cool breeze outside.
And I bet nothing will ruin our nice day. Not even. Ouch. That kinda hurts.
Gasp. Mister, are you alright?
Ugh, I kinda am. I'm deeply sorry for bumping into you.
That is alright, we sometimes make mistakes.
You know, I think I'm in the same height as you too.
That actually looks true. And if I'm not wrong, you appear to be a kitten, right?
Yep, that is also true. What are your names, by the way?
My name is Unikitty, and the blue dog you notice next to me is my brother named Puppycorn.
Well, my name goes by the name of Lil'Petey. How about we shake hands?
Hey, I thought of something. Lil'Petey, can't we be best friends?
Well, I hate to break it, but... Sure. You guys seem to be the perfect friends.
Yes. We will indeed enjoy being friends with you.
Well then, let's make this promise.
As of this day,
We'll always be friends forever and never, ever, end it.